TowerSpin, an innovative 90-in-1 tool, bridges the gap between you and your next creation. Not just a screwdriver, it's also a fidget tool. TowerSpin includes 20 drill bits and 70 screwdriver bits. Razor-sharp yet compact drill bits that let you create perfect screw holes in any material. Twist-to-switch bits effortlessly. Multiple bit sizes fit everything from precision repairs to home repairs and professional repair. Anti-slip grooved roller design. Aluminum alloy, handle with a unique tower design. Compact and lightweight, your go-to solution for outdoor fixes.